Hello everybody, welcome to your lesson. Today we will talk about what are they wearing. Para tomar esta clase ya debes de haber aprendido el vocabulario necesario sobre los colores y las prendas de vestir para que ahora puedas unirlos al utilizarlos en oraciones completas para expresar ideas. What are they wearing? So here we have four girls with very different outfits. We have Sophie, Kate, Natalie, and Carol. So we're going to start talking about Sophie. What is Sophie wearing? Well, Sophie is wearing a red sweater, white blouse, gray jeans, blue sneakers, and headphones. Here you can see Sophie's outfit. Now let's go past with Carol. Carol is wearing blue sweater, white t-shirt, blue skirt, pink stockings, white socks, and black shoes. She is using red sunglasses. Here you can check Carol's outfit. Now it is your turn to tell what are Kate and Natalie wearing. Write the description of their outfit here in the platform. Be careful to use all the correct vocabulary and the correct structures. That's all for today. Bye-bye.